Hi guys, I'm just packing some jeans for the day. A lot of black today actually. So, for Nancy in Wentworthville, New South Wales, I am packing black chino joggers with the ankle cuff, nice and stretchy and so comfortable. They have the cargo pockets here. So just pop that back in its packaging. Just wanted to show you what it looks like out of the packaging. So just getting the parcel ready. Pink lollipop for Nancy. Okay, next we have 3/4 jeggings for Janine in Albany Creek, Queensland. Okay, so Janine ordered the khaki 3/4 length jeggings with this great amount of stretch. There they are, below the knee. Khaki Wakey jeggings. Janine also ordered the black as well. So khaki and black. Banana chub chub. Okay. Okay, so Caitlin from Kings Park, New South Wales ordered the black jeggings in the long length. Skinny leg, good stretch. Very comfortable and versatile being black. Like I said, a lot of black today. So this is a size 7 because we actually sell the in-between sizes as well. So size 7, 9 and 11. And they range from size 6 to 18 in this jegging. Pink chubby top. Okay, so now I'm getting ready. There will be clothing protectors and bug busters. So we also sell drawer sachets as well to make your undie and sock drawer smell really great. So they come in different packaging. This is sandalwood, and there's also lavender. This is the prickly packaging, and this is the flourish packaging in a bug buster. So there's different packaging and different fragrances. So you can see all them on the Fashion Jam Essentials website. If you've just joined, I'm Rowena and I mostly sell Wakey jeans, shorts and skirts. So most of them are $54.95 or $44.95 and are very comfortable denim. But these are the Thirlby bug busters, clothing protectors, and I also sell drawer sachets. So if you've just joined and you're wondering what I'm packaging up, that is what I am doing. So this is the flourish packaging in the bug buster. I'm just getting these ready to send out to customers. So I do have a website, fashionjamessentials.com.au, where all the jeans are. So wide leg jeans are really popular at the moment, selling a lot of wide leg jeans, also straight leg jeans, and still, you know, the favourites, skinny leg. So we have rips and no rips, and you know, so many different jeans. Same with the shorts, you know, frayed hem or raw hem, cuff, short, long, all the all the different shorts and skirts, minis, maxis, midi length skirts, all great stretch denim. So they're really comfortable, soft denim. We do have some jeans that are 100% cotton as well, with no stretch. So, you know, like your boyfriend type jeans, they're really popular too. Personally, I like the ones with the stretch because they're really comfortable. So that's all from me at the moment. I didn't have a lot of time to jump on, but I hope that, you know, gave you a little bit of insight about what I do. Okay, bye.